Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to change the navigation bar and use swipe gestures on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Let's get started. To begin, go to Settings. Here, tap Display. Look for Navigation Bar and tap it. Once on this page, you can choose either buttons or swipe gestures. If you want to change the order of the buttons, make sure you have selected buttons and then tap More Options. Select the button order you prefer. To enable swipe gesture based navigation, tap the back button and then select Swipe Gestures. Now, to navigate using the gestures, here are some examples. If you are in an app and you want to go back, swipe from the left or right side. To return to the home screen, swipe up from the bottom. And to bring up recently opened apps, swipe up from the bottom and hold. That's it for this video on how to use swipe gesture based navigation on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you find it informative.